What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another exciting episode. As you can tell from the title, we do have something super special that just came in the mail. I actually well, it's not in the mail, came on a big truck, but I was so excited to actually show you guys that I literally just came inside, got my camera because I was so excited to show you guys. So this is what we kind of got. So super exciting. So as you can tell, got a pallet, and I do have my, it is a freshly rebuilt SST. So let me get my like unstrap this bad boy. That's one, this is two. I have it on here because I wanted to roll it around. Because it's not going to stay in the middle of my shop here. It is going to be moving until we get the car back in, and then we can actually get to this bad boy. Oh man, I actually strapped this bad boy up pretty good. Oh man, my super excited about this transmission. I'm telling you that right now. Super excited. I just want to get my razor blade and cut this open. I'll have my razor. So it is super cold outside. Super cold. Super cold. Oh man. Yeah, let me cut this open and let me show you what I got. All right, people. So here is what we got here. So my transmission, as you can kind of tell, like I do have this bolt going through the top of it here with my chain already. Mainly because when it came on this pallet, and I wanted to, like I said, put it on a dolly. So I had to lift it up somehow, and that's how I got it lifted. So that's, this is exactly why I wanted to do what I had to do, because it just couldn't sit here. I had to lift it. So, but yeah. Anyway, now that we got this bad boy, it looks freaking fantastic, and I do have all of my fluids here. I'm gonna use nothing but the greatest Motul stuff here, and yeah, we're gonna be getting rocking and rolling on this thing really soon. It is, like I said before, a freshly rebuilt transmission, and I know you guys are probably thinking, like, man, like, shouldn't that have taken longer? And the answer is yes. Yes, it should have taken probably a lot longer than what this video is coming out. But I will show you this here. So after I did my last video talking about the SST, I actually was going online, I was getting prices, talking to people, doing a bunch of stuff, and then I ran across this. So it is a freshly rebuilt transmission, and like I said before, it does already have 600 horsepower clutch packs in it, and everything is already done and ready to install in the car. Now, I'm not going to tell you where I got it, I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for it, but as you can tell from any shop that's rebuilt any of these SSTs, they are not cheap. They are not cheap. And looking at something, I want to show you guys. So you see these straps? They were they actually came obviously from Lowe's. But as I was telling you before, when I wrapped up my transmission ready to ship out, like I said, I found this. So my stock SST with its second gear clutches is just sitting right over here, right next to my brand new Evo 8. Let me just show you guys, because it literally sits right here, right next to, let me move this, and it literally sits right next to my brand new Evo 8 5-speed. So, which I'm trying to sell for insane money, but people don't think it's really gonna sell. But yeah, I mean, it is what it is. But, and then it's just sitting here right next to the GTR and Ivy. So it's not going nowhere unless somebody wants to buy it. Let me know, because that'd be awesome. But yeah, we will be rocking and rolling on this bad boy as soon as tomorrow, because I definitely want to see, I would just definitely want to make sure everything runs good, the car is good, and that I won't have any future issues, because I do respect that this thing was a lot of money and it's gonna be good. But like I said in previous videos, my car is not anything crazy performance. It's on a stock turbo, intake, intercooler pipe, and a catback. That's really it. So nothing too out of control or anything super crazy. So if this thing would make upwards of 350 to plus, I'd be really, really happy. But the transmission having 600 horsepower clutches, which I didn't order that. It just came in that setup. So I'm pretty happy about that. So it is definitely overkill for what I have going, but it's definitely good. So now I just know that the life of the transmission will be perfectly fine. And it comes with a 1-year warranty from the manufacturer that I got it from. So if you're watching this, I've already done most of the legwork, and hopefully hopefully everything will be running super smooth. I won't know that until I start the video. So tomorrow I will bring the car in, try to get it on the lift, and pull everything out of it that I need to. So but yeah, I just wanted to share you guys like my super exciting transmission story here. So like I said before, I have everything that I definitely need to get this bad boy in. All I need to do is just pull the car in, pull the subframe, and yeah, just get to work. So hopefully I'll have a running freshly rebuilt SST in the Evo 10. That is the plan. So wish me luck. But yeah, until then, see you guys on the next one. Deuces.